welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make trade in ESPN Fantasy Football using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN Fantasy Football app on phone and make sure you are linked to your account. Once you are in, tap the My Team tab. This shows your entire rosters, the players you currently. Now at the top bottom of the screen, tap Teams. This will show all the teams in your league. Find the team you want to trade with and tap on it to see their players. In the top right corner, tap Propose Trade. You will now see two columns, one for your players and one for their players. Tap the players you want to send from your team. These are the players you are offering, and tap the players you want to receive from others. You can trade one player or multiple players, totaling up to you. When you have chosen all the players, tap Review Trade. Look everything over to make sure the trade looks right. If everything looks good, tap Submit Trade. Now you are done. Your trade goes into pending status. The other team owner needs to accept, and depending on the league rules, the trade may need to pass a league review period. And that's it. That's how you trade players in ESPN Fantasy Football on phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.